Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I've got 3/8 flex head standard length ratchet from Hazet. So I thought why not to make a short video about it. The part number of this ratchet is 8816GK. This is Hazet old style ratchet. Both blue and black part has the same material and it's a hard handle material. So it's not a comfort grip handle. As usual, nice matte chrome finish. Typical shiny finish on the back of the ratchet head. Hazet logo and the part number is stamped. Made in Germany is also stamped. I did a review of half-inch version and here you can see half-inch ratchet has only Germany stamped instead. Both are made in Germany obviously, just don't understand why on smaller ratchet they have stamped made in Germany and the surface space is even smaller when comparing to the bigger ratchet. Just wanted to bring into the attention if some of you guys planning to buy. Back to the ratchet. Handle is smaller, but I think it's kind of nice and working on narrow spaces will be very easy. Selector switch is recessed. Gear teeth are 30, which is pretty coarser. It's an older design. Hazet does not offer finer teeth in any of their flex head ratchets, which is shame. Here I have got non-flex head standard 3/8 ratchet, just to show you guys how it looks in comparison. Length of the flex ratchet is 218mm. Let's try some socket. Socket seated firmly. Hazet ratchet anvil has one of the best fitment on the anvil. Very minimal wobble. Flex ratchets are my go-to ratchets due to their versatility. Can be used as a speed ratchet. Let's do some quick comparison with other 3/8 ratchet. I have got here Snap-on, Facom, Stahlwille and Gedore. Let's take Gedore first. The Gedore ratchet is long and quick thick in comparison. This Gedore ratchet has same body as its own half-inch ratchet, so it has a bit of different category. No wonder this is thicker and bigger in every aspect. Gedore ratchet has flat shaft and also it has more rough finish. Handle difference is huge. Hazet is not a locking style whereas Gedore has locking feature as well as it can be free flex, which I like it. Both Gedore and Hazet are premier brands, so quality is not an issue in both cases. Gedore has 72 teeth versus 30 teeth. Different style of selector switches. Hazet ratchet is small and compact in comparison. Now Snap-on ratchet. Usually American brand 3/8 ratchets are longer than the European style ratchets when comparing standard length ratchets. Same with this case. Shiny versus matte chrome finish. I prefer matte chrome over shiny. Snap-on ratchet is pretty heavy and handle is significantly bigger. I like Snap-on comfort grip handle but it's quite big. Snap-on shaft is thicker too. This Snap-on ratchet has locking function. Snap-on also offer non-locking ratchet. This locking function is nice but I'm not a big fan of mechanism on the shaft. It's just on the weird spot. I like the selector switch on the Hazet because it's recessed. Gear teeth on Snap-on are 80 and way smoother and quieter, which I like it. Both are nice ratchet on their own way. This Facom ratchet has extendable feature which is awesome. Shiny versus matte chrome. Facom has also significantly bigger handle. Facom has 72 gear teeth versus 30. Now if you look at here, Facom has small head but Hazet has smaller profile. Hazet head profile is even smaller than the Snap-on one slightly. Now the last ratchet we got here is Stahlwille. Hazet length is smaller but Hazet do offer longer length ratchet which I will get in a future. I like Stahlwille handle more. It's comfortable grip versus Hazet hard handle. Both are matte chrome with slight different style. Both have recessed selector switch but Stahlwille selector switch is thicker but smoother. Stahlwille has quick release function. I like the Stahlwille locking function. It is also recessed when comparing to the Snap-on. Hazet can be free flex due to its non-locking design though. Stahlwille does not have free flex function. It has to be locked always. I showed you guys different ratchets with different style. Every ratchet has pros and cons. This Hazet ratchet has really nice and robust construction. It is small and compact. I wish if it has locking function and finer teeth mechanism. Okay guys, I leave it to you guys now. Feel free to comment below. Hit the like button and consider to subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.